and happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
How are you?
Finally.
I know. Oh my gosh, kailan tayo nasa kita? Ano pa?
The chest time.
Oh yes.
December.
Ano pa? This one.
Pinapaalala ko lang, May na pala.
I know, it's May already. It's
Oh,
today's birthday. How are you?
I'm good.
Ay, congratulations.
Yes.
That's best actress, diba?
Yes, for Espantajo.
I was in LA when you
March.
were Yes, March.
Ako
Right,
naman nila
yes.
aside support.
Oo.
This is supposed to be, MIFF was supposed to be January, then na-cancel,
Yes.
diba?
If I go, oh, you're there, that's why you're not with us.
Oo, as in
And-
saktong-sakto eh.
Exacto nga, I remember. That was, I know that was in
Oo.
March. Congratulations.
Thank you,
Double
Lord.
win.
So much to be grateful for.
Definitely, definitely.
Eh, nakapagpa-stem cell lang ako today.
Yes,
really?
Yeah.
Really?
It's her birthday gift daw for herself.
Yes.
Kaya yung sinabi sa akin ni Ate Claire kanina, meron na po kami ano dito,
Yes.
Trinity Drip.
Yes.
Ay, bongga!
I know. Wow. Perfect. Because you really felt good after.
Oy, oo. As in, totoo yung sinabi ni Doc Zina. You'll fall asleep faster and ang vivid and dreams mo.
Oo.
Nag-gathering kami nung gabi, Trinity ako. Natulog ako sa...
Oh my gosh.
Pagising ko umaga na, wala na yung bisita na.
Oh my gosh!
Nakatulog ako sa... Pinapatulog ko si Luna. Nauna akong makatulog.
Ano na, alala ko sa mga.
Ganun siya ka-effective.
Kasi December yun eh.
Oo. Sabi na nga ni Rai, sabi ng asawa ko sa akin, eh, kamusta naman yung hindi ka na bumaba? Yung plano ako bumaba. Suot ko pa yung mga alahas ko. Hindi ako nakapagpalit. Tulog ako agad.
So yung mga bisita ni Joy, hindi naman pulod si Judah. Hindi naman. Hindi niya sinasadya.
Nagkataon lang.
Kaka-20 drip lang niya.
Dire-diretso rin yung pagod ko at that time.
Yes.
Promotions, and I have chef's night. And then, so talagang siguro yung katawan ko relax ng severe. Cells, tulog tayo.
Yes. Kailangan natin ng recovery.
In fairness, asap naman ang gising ko. Kaya sabi ko, hindi na pwedeng dito magtuloy-tuloy.
Diba?
Yun yung mga things na hindi mananakaw. Diba?
Oo, totoo. Siyempre yung mga cells natin, nababawasan, diba? Kailangan maintain natin.
I'm excited ako sa gagawin natin.
Yes, I know, marami tayong gagawin today. Actually, I did a treatment the other day and Juday commented. Gusto daw niya i-try. So I did the salmon sperm DNA treatment. And nakita mo naman kung anong itsura ko. So,
Oo nga.
alam mo naman kung anong magiging itsura mo after.
Ang gitara kasi ako.
Oo.
So yung mga ginagawa ng doktora, ni Hart, ni
Yes.
Kat, lahat ng mga may magagandang balat, pinapatsuko ko sa akin. Hindi naman kami insecure sa isa't isa.
True.
Gusto lang namin pare-pareho magaganda mga balat.
Lahat tayo fresh.
Kasi
Kasi busy tayo. Marami tayong gagawin. So, we always have to
yes.
empower ourselves. And by empowering ourselves, kailangan confidence is the key,
Yes.
diba?
Dapat yan.
Ang age mo ba nire-reveal mo, Juday?
Oo naman.
Ah, talaga?
26. I'm turning 47.
27.
Yeah. At 26, ay, at 26, tama.
Wait lang.
Yes, doon kami nagkakilala ni Reza Cristala.
Ah.
Naging superhero ako at some point. Diba?
Alam mo,
Nakatights ako, doktora. Nagboga-boga.
Wow! Alam mo, ang payat mo.
So, Mara Clara, nung simula, pero on the second, third year, nung nagdalaga na ako, doon na. Kasi,
Working ka
kasi
naman.
mahirap kumain. Yes, mahilig ako sa kanin. Kami nga, toyo at mantika.
Oo,
masarap, diba? Tapos kamatis na, kasi wala ka pambili ko na. Di, tirahin natin to, guys.
Or sinamag. No, masarap.
Yes! Kanin is life.
Yeah, agree.
But IV is life.
True. True. Number one, we will do your, yung sinabi ko, salmon sperm DNA. Then we'll do the PLM, the
Ay,
anti-eye.
gusto ko yan.
And then we will do trap talks. Let's start on the right side.
Yes.
Yes.
Ayun.
Walang pakiramdam.
Today, kumakanta ka ba? Do you sing?
Dati. Oo. Kasi wala mo akong choice, doktor. Sinabihan na lang ako na, may album ka ba? Meron po, Boss Vic.
Ah, talaga?
Nagka-album ako, pero kasi nung tinanong ko ni Boss Vic kung may album ako, akala ko photo album yung tinatanong niya. So sinabi ko, meron. Mga 4 po.
Oo.
Sabi niya talaga, saan lumabas? Sa bahay lang po. Tatlong album pa yung nagawa ko.
Grabe, hindi ko alam yung singing talent.
Double platinum awardee.
Sorry naman.
Not once, but twice.
The actress, check. Singer, check. Dancer,
Ano
dancing.
Singer question mark? Check.
Dancing.
Before, kasi naman before, you really had to dance. Pag magpapromote ka ng pelikula, mag-DJ Super Show ka, or dance entertainment, Eat Bulaga.
Ang dami.
Department siya.
Ang dami mong
Tapos
revelation.
nag-Vats Entertainment pa ako.
Yeah.
Tuesday group. Masaya naman ang Vats talaga.
Oo naman.
Ibang
Oo,
klaseng,
Oo.
ibang klaseng training ground naman din talaga si Kuya Germs. At saka yun pa yung uso pa nun yung pag kumakanta ka, they still allow the fans na pumunta sa stage para sabitan ka na sa pagita.
Yes, agree. Alam ko yan.
Oo! Talagang sa dumating na ako sa point na alam kong medyo sikat na ako kasi umabot na dito yung sa pagita. Sikat na ako. Hindi na ako makita nito. Hindi ko na sila makita. At saka before, Doktor, kailangan automatic, pag may pelikula ka at in-invite ka mag-promote sa GMA Super Show, ay big deal yun.
You've made it.
Yes, big deal yun na makapag-promote ka sa JB Super Show kasi siya lang ang Sunday noontime show at that time. All the big stars are there. So pag binigyan ka ng solo number mo or spot number o pag sumayaw ka doon, it's a big thing. Masarap, masaya ang buhay ng araw.
Oo, totoo. Kaya pag Sunday dati, hindi kami umalis sa bahay.
Oo,
Kasi
diba?
GMA Super Show yan. Let's move on to the under eye. So we're going to peel on the under eye para fresh. Kasi syempre pag pagod, puyat, yung under eye yung napapansin. So lumalalo, nagiging tired looking. So we're gonna freshen up na your
Saka
eyes.
nagustuhan ko talaga yung una. Pangatlo ko na to diba? So, gusto ko talaga yung effect kasi you don't have to put concealer anymore. Lipitok ka na lang. Ako pa naman, hindi marunong mag-makeup. So talagang brush ko na lang yung kilay ko, lipitok pak!
So we're gonna do the under eye. So you rest your under.
Tolerable naman siya.
Yes.
Tsaka naka-emla naman ako. Mararamdaman mo na slight yung pasok. Pero, very minimal.
What's good about it is you really build collagen, you build elastin, as you kind of hydrate the skin also on the under eye.
Pangtulong lang siya na ma-refresh yung ilalim ng mata na hindi nakukuha ng oral vitamins.
Oh, diba?
Oh, yan sa
Like this lang siya, very natural. Look here, it's so hollow. But here, it's more lifted and
Yes. O, diba? Ganun lang yun.
Ang bilis. Parang less than 2 minutes yung one side. No?
Kala lang ako ngayon.
This will get better na in the next few hours. Mas gaganda pa yun.
Yeah.
Mas mag-i-improve pa yan.
Kaya ako natulog ng 10 days straight.
Diba? Nag-freshen lang siya. And it's very natural because it's not a filler, guys. It's just really like like to stimulate collagen and to make the skin younger and healthier. So, ang fresh siya, pang-fresh lang siya. Diba? Ayan. Nakakadalawa na ako. Isang Trap Talks, 1 PLN on the under eye for freshness. And lastly, other day I did this treatment. And Juday said she wants to try it. But that's really trending now. Parang lang what we did in your under eye. We're gonna put it all over the face. And then we're gonna use a special gun para ma-deliver natin. So now we're on our third treatment. I'm gonna make her beautiful. Don't worry.
Smell it nice.
Yes. Yay! Oh, yan! Look! We're okay.
Yay!
Oh, diba? Oh, parang laging fresh. Yes.
Yung doktor.
Faces in life.
Yes.
Right? Si Juday ay ngayon ay in her face on her 47th birthday.
Yes.
How would you describe your state of mind or state of life? Ayun, in one
Super
word.
grateful. Very, very grateful. Just to be able to spend your time with your kids. And that chance na magka-choice ka na magpahinga ka. Ngayon may choice na ako magpahinga. Nung bata ako, choice kong wag magpahinga. Pero linano ko to, doktora, na pag nagpamilya ako, mag-focus na ako sa family. But I'll give everything, all my energy sa trabaho hanggat dalaga. It's a promise I made to myself. When I become a mom, I will be a mom. I will be a wife.
Oh, wow. I love that.
Happy Mother's Day!
Yes! You're the epitome of what a mother should be.
Lahat tayo.
Yes.
Iba't iba ang layers ng pagiging nanay.
Totoo yan.
To be a mom alone, ibang klase na.
Totoo yan. We look up to you as a mom. And I admire your family life. I admire how you are with your kids, how hands-on you are. Diba? Yan ang goals natin talaga. I mean, at the end of the day, family is very important. And we should really know how to prioritize. Diba? And motherhood is really a very, very fun.
Motherhood is a job,
Yes, it is a job.
but the greatest job ever.
Being a mother is the best. On that note, happy Mother's
Thank
Day,
you, Happy
guys.
Mother's Day, Dr. Thank you so much for
Happy
your
birthday.
Thank you.
Diba?
It's best birthday gift ever.
I know, diba? I love you. Happy birthday, guys.
Happy Mother's Day.
Yes, Happy Mother's Day,
Thank you so much.
And I'll always make you beautiful.
Thank you. I
Yes.
know.
Yes. That's all, guys.
Thank you.
Bye. Happy Mother's Day to all the
Happy
moms.
Mother's Day po.